This enclosure, make sure you go check out my website at www.customlowe's.com. I got all your different enclosure options. I got ported enclosures, underseat truck enclosures, fourth order enclosures. We also got enclosure designs on there. And if you guys go right now, you can get the Custom Lowe's limited edition t-shirt. We have a sale going on right now where you get $20 worth of free downloadable designs. It's basically $4 or $5 designs or a couple truck designs. You get those for free with the order of a t-shirt. Like I said, get the limited edition Custom Lowe's shirts. It'll help support Custom Lowe's, and you also get a really cool shirt. Plus, you get $20 off the pre-made downloadable design. So go check those out.